Hello everybody, welcome on the channel. Today we are looking on the new BMS from JK. Actually this one is 300 amps. It should be able to run 300 amps continuously and 600 amps on the peak. I usually use in my system a little bit the older versions. I can show you here. You see, this one is the older version and it is exactly the half brother. Because this BMS, it has only 1 amp balancing, it has 150 amps continuous and 300 actually peaks. So definitely there will be another hardware. It is also another version. This one is version 15, for example, and it has 2 terminals. For the introduction, we can introduce this new. And you can see we have actually got even the manual, but when you look, it's ending by the 20p, so it is for the old version. They didn't update, I guess, the manual, but it's fine. We have the manual, that's cool. And look on the baby. It's just here. I think on the first look, definitely you will see what is going on here, and you see we have 1 terminal more on each. It means 3 on plus and 3 on minus. That's very nice, because for 300 amps you really need some kind of serious contact, and I think those 3 should be good enough. Another thing, you see the UART port here. He is also not on the older version, because this one is the version 15 and this one is the version 19. So UART port for the new display, where is very nice communication and you can check all the packs that you have on the system. That's very amazing. I like it. I have it on my system in the Project 51, and that's very cool, very cool. Also you see some kind of upgrade, that the balancing connectors are actually splitted into 4 colors. We have still 1 white, and then we go blue, red and yellow, which is quite nice when you are thinking, oh, which cable goes where. Then now you have it exactly set it. Even on the old version you can see first and third connector, they are the same. Even the cabling inside is the same, so when you have the older version you couldn't possibly actually change it. But now you connect it directly here, and then you really need to follow up exactly starting I think from the yellow white one, and then you go first the ground and the cell number 1, and so on and so on and so on. This one actually didn't change, there is everything the same. What we have a little bit changed here, the old versions, they had this cable. You see my one is already modified with some kind of fuse on it. And the new one, it has actually small terminal for the battery plus. I think it is very nice. Definitely for some versions, the old one, they don't have this rubber around the toroid. In the new production, you will have it all the time, but this one was made by me. I think I was doing it very well. It looks like the original, so it was very nice, because sometimes when it was touching, for example, the side, it had problem with some kind of function, and it wasn't good. For the battery management system you need 100%, not 99 or less. 100%, it has to be working, it has to be measuring everything what is supposed to be. So let me show you what we have still inside. We will leave it on the side, and in the package you get the manual. I think it is very clean, there is nothing extra special about it. New version, they have a little bit nicer, let me say, the power switch. Can you hear it? It is nicely clicking, very good sound, and also inside it is the LED, which is signalizing the on function, and you can connect it directly here which is very fine, I guess, because the older versions, they had used only this connector for the connection of the small displays. When you have the big display, you need to go for the UART, and I mean the new display for the version 19. Also for the UART you will need extra cable. Here we have the front panel. I think it is nice, there is nothing extra special. You see the screws, we have 6 of them. It is also cool. I like actually those that they are possible to use the key with 10mm, and you can push it a little bit higher than when you are using just the screwdriver. So definitely this one is good. If you need for the communication from the front panel, we have everything here. Everything here is inside it included. That's good. In this package we have, let me show you a few cables. One cable and another cable. I think this one is the bigger one. You should probably use it for, let me say, fuse and then some cable directly to the battery. I think it is worthy. And this one, this slim one, it used to be usually for the heating pad. Yeah, you will see. Definitely you can use it. Then we have the communication cable, which is quite nice. We have the communication cable, and definitely we have the rest, which is balancing cable, again communication cables, and also I think UART is not here. UART is actually sold with, let me say, with the display. So all you can connect is actually here. You see here, you see here. We will connect it shortly. There is nothing extra special about it. You just press it there. Here on the other side, there is nothing possible to go wrong. There is only one way how you can connect it. You will use also the data cable. I think this one, it is used for the signals terminal. And that's it really. There is nothing extra special. You will connect it and it will be running very nicely. So you have everything connected. You have the power button. You can mount it anywhere you want. You can use the power cable, and then you can also use the communication. I think it was on the side. Can we have here, and that's it. That's full setup. If you are using the pad, then it's coming just here. And now the most important thing, the balancing cables. I think you can see we have some kind of improvement. The colors are even here on those, let me say, male connectors. It's actually female, and you can plug it in. You can put the yellow one, you can put the red one, blue one and white one, each to its designed slot, and that's it. So the connection, you see, it is very nice. Here it is the special one, the white one, because you have the minus, and actually they did it from the black cable, which I really like it. The other two black cables, in each connector you have the temperature sensor, and then you have the 4 pluses on each of them. So it is the cell 1 to 4, 5 to 8, 9 to 12 and 13 to 16. If you will be using this BMS for less, if you will be using only, let me say, 12 or maybe 8, then you stick with the white one and blue one and you will be ready to go. You don't need anything more. So definitely we see everything what is happening. I like this model. It is version 19, I am reminding again, and we will see what kind of BIOS we have actually inside. I think there is a lot of updates already, so when I will be building it, we will make the review and we will see what is actually going on in the BIOS if we have some kind of new functions, and so on and so on. For those who wish to buy, definitely the link is in the description below, and if you don't want to buy from this link, it's up to you. If you use it, you will definitely support my channel, and I will use it to make for you even better videos. So thank you for the watching, and I will see you on the next one. Bye bye.